You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something.
Hey guys, did you know I once tried my hand at skateboarding? Yeah, that didn't go very well. But stick around because today I'm diving into a fun 15 question challenge, and trust me, you won't believe some of my answers.
On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better. He can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better. He can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do. Yeah. You can love me better than you. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about. Tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming about that good
Welcome
love.
back to my channel. As you can see, today we're doing something a little bit different. I feel it's time you guys get to know a bit more about me and a bit more about this amazing woman that's been giving you all this great content. I'm going to answer 15 questions that reveal a bit more about myself. These are personal insights that might just surprise you. So let's get into it. I'm a bit nervous, guys. So let's talk about the challenge of sharing personal details. I mean, opening up like this can be a bit intimidating, right? I mean, I've already shared with you a bit about my family and, you know, Zimbabwe and South Africa, and I'm sure you've seen a little bit of my life here in the UK. But I just thought it is a bit intimidating. It's like being on stage, like you're on spotlight, and everyone's waiting for you to spill the secrets. But here's the thing, while it can be scary to share personal stuff, you get to connect with people on a deeper level. And I hope having watched this video will give you an insight into what makes me tick. So let's embrace the awkwardness together and see what this is all about. Then let's jump straight into the 15 questions. The first one is, what's your favorite childhood memory? So for me, it's definitely the summer holidays, spending at Kwanambuya and Sekurukumusha. So that's at my grandparents' farm. They had a farm, running around in the background and eating so many mangoes. My grandfather had so many mango trees. Second question, if you could have dinner with anyone, dead or alive, who would it be? I'd say my late mum. Her humor and her heart was something else. And I'd love to have connected with her woman to woman. The next question, what's a guilty pleasure of yours? So guys, don't judge me, but I could binge watch reality TV all day. It's so entertaining to watch other people's lives unfold. And I think that's why I like vlogs and people on YouTube. At least it's reality, isn't it? And then we have, what's the weirdest thing you've eaten? So that would be frog's legs. My Dutch. Just even talking about it, I had to close my eyes. I remember the day I had to close my eyes when I was eating them because I was like, I just want to taste it. They were super crunchy and not as bad as you'd think, so they tasted like chicken. 5. What's your biggest fear? Honestly, it's losing the people I love. It's such a cliche, but it's true. Question 6. What does your name mean? It means to comfort someone. I'll give you a short sentence in Shona. That's my native language. So that means literally comfort that person. So it means to comfort somebody. Question 7. So where are you from? Or as the white people here in England like to say, where are you from? So I was born in Bulawayo, and I grew up there. And then we moved to Masvingo, where I'm from. Question 8, where do you live now? So I live in Nottingham in the UK. It's a small town-ish, according to UK standards, and it's about 130 miles, 120 kilometers for my Zim people from London. North, what's a secret talent you have? Well, I can actually whistle. It's something I learned over the summer holidays when I used to herd cattle. Yeah, believe it or not, at my grandparents' farm. I've surprised a few people with that, and it always gets a good laugh. And it's not the usual whistles. It's not like, it's the yeah. So question number 10, what's your current job? I'm a civil servant and I work as a content designer. Question 11, gifts or experiences? I'm an experiences girl. Those memories last a lifetime. They create conversation and they shape who you are as well. What's your biggest accomplishment? I would say completing my master's degree and buying the home that we're currently in. What's your dream job? I would love to be a travel vlogger. I've always loved traveling to different countries in the last six to 8 years. And even when I was growing up, I've always wanted to be a jet setter, working in a corporate position. But this time around, travel vlogger, I think that would be a good job for me. Imagine exploring new places and sharing those experiences with you guys. What's your favorite holiday destination? This one is a tough one, but I would say Gili Air in Indonesia. The life there was so slow and very interesting. And you could cycle around the whole island in 20 minutes. They didn't have cars or motorbikes. You used horses as transportation, or a horse-drawn carriage as transportation. What's on your holiday wish list? Japan, only because the more I did research on it, the more I was intrigued by the country. Other countries would be Tanzania, Antigua, Fiji, Seychelles, Australia, although I went to Australia, but my holiday was cut short because of COVID. And one that would surprise you is Albania. I've seen so many beautiful pictures of that country, but I do have a long list though. So that's it, guys. I'll leave it there for now. I hope you enjoyed getting to know me a little better. This, like I said, was a bit different, a bit of a different video. How did I do? Also share with me your personal stories, anything that resonated with you, or any funny stories that you have. And don't forget to subscribe for more content. And I'll see. I'd love to hear back from you. If you want to ask me any more questions, drop those in the comment bar below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.